welcome back to another video. Today we have the M18 Fuel 1/2 inch hammer drill driver 2804-20 tool only. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review video. That's the way YouTube works the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help this channel by doing so. Specifications here, we got peak torque 1,200 inch-pounds. We got RPM 0 to 550, 0 to 2000. You got BPM 3200. You got chuck type 1/2 inch all metal ratcheting chuck. You got length 6.9. You got weight 3.2. Up to 60% more power. Up to 1.5 shorter length. Up to 2 times faster speed on a heavy load. Power state brushless motor. Red Link Plus intelligence. Red lithium battery pack, and here's all the tools. 5-year warranty. So we got this. This is the instruction manual. This is the handle. It says Milwaukee here on the side. This is all plastic. So this is all metal and plastic. You got another poster. Some nice rubber overmold for the handle. Nice rubber. We got all this is plastic. It already comes with the belt clip. We got fuel brushless on the back. We got Milwaukee fuel. We got a little hammer here function. So we got 14 settings. We got a drill setting and a hammer function. A nice metal chuck. So on LED here at the bottom. Got a nice trigger, forward and reverse. We do got some rubber stops here on the sides. Rubber stops here. And we do got some ventilation. Looks like you got a fan there. We do got a bit holder here. Battery in here. See what this sounds like. Sounds pretty good. Oh, this thing's really strong. We do have a speed selector here. So 1, 2. First speed, second speed, and then this is the transmission, obviously, for the hammer drilling, and then the speeds there. Serial number there, you got 2804-20. It says 1/2 inch hammer drill driver. Got made in Vietnam. All right, let's put this handle on, see what this looks like. All right, so once you got it in there, you can start tightening it up. Oh, it feels really solid. Yep, I really like the feeling of this. Feels really solid. Lots of air movement here on the sides. Guys, let me know down in the comment section, what tools would you want to see this against? So this is the high output 3 amp hour battery. This is so it is lockable chuck, so you pretty much lock it this way and then one click back. For this, we'll just test out we'll just put it on number 2. Put it on number 2. See if that works. Because this is just gonna go right through the wood. So we're gonna go number 4. So number 4 is perfect for the screws. 1, 2, 3, go. Yep, number 4 is perfect. Maybe a little bit too much. All right, we're gonna start with some simple drilling. 3/8 drill bit. One back. 1, 2, 3, go. It's fine, and we're not even in drilling mode, by the way. Just the one in drilling mode. I'm pretty sure there's not a difference. Alright, so drilling mode. Alright, we got a 7/8 spade bit. Hold right here. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm pushing, by the way, so I'm pushing a lot. Maybe we need to lock it a little bit harder. One, two, three, go. Yeah, it was that. All right, we got a 1-inch auger bit. 1, 2, 3, go. We're on speed 2, by the way. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go. No problem. Seems like I need to tighten up this a little bit more. This thing's already beat up, you can tell. All right, we got an adapter. This is a 3/4 inch impact socket with an adapter. So 1/2 inch by 4 inch lag. The screw is not working. We're gonna do it right here in this hole. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, it's able to do it on 1, but on 2 it's not. Somehow it's skipping. We're on drilling mode, by the way. We'll do one right here. We'll try it on speed 2 again, see if it'll do it. Yeah, somehow it's not doing it. I'm not going to keep going because I'll probably break the tool. But it wasn't able to do it on speed 2. So just keep that in mind. But still very powerful at speed 1. So much torque. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.